Welcome back to the Mexican food channel. I've been craving a jicama con limón y chile, so we're gonna be making one today. Get you a big jicama. This one's not that pretty, but it's still gonna work. Today we're gonna be using this kind of peeler. Go ahead and start peeling it until the skin is completely off. We're doing this in real time, so come on and do it with me. It should end up looking something like this. Normally I would cut it into fry-like looking pieces, but today we're gonna use the same peeler. Go ahead and just shave it down until there's nothing left. It should end up looking like this. The pieces are so thin, the lime's gonna go with it perfectly. Look how thin that is. We're gonna use this plate, but first we're gonna mix it in a bowl. Go ahead and drop the jicama into the bowl. We're gonna use 4 limes for this recipe. Go ahead and cut them in halves. Squeeze all the limes into the jicama. Give it a small little mix. And finish, put it in the lime juice. I'm just gonna go ahead and try this one real quick. Don't mind me. Add in a little bit of salt. I made a mixture of Valentina and Cholula right here. Go ahead and pour it on top. Next, we're gonna add some Tajín. Sprinkle some on top. Go ahead and give it a mix. Go ahead and give it a little taste. And if it needs more salt, go ahead and add some more. Okay, give it our last mix. Now that we put it into the plate, we're gonna add the last little touches. Drizzle some Cholula or Valentina on top. I know it looks a little spicy, but we're Mexican, we can handle it, right? And last, we're gonna add a little bit of Tajín. Oh snap, where did I put it? Okay, I found it. Sprinkle it on top. You can add as much as you want. This part's optional. Alright, all done. That looks delicious. And it's taste test time. Look how thin that is. Y pa' dentro. That's so good. Let me get another taste. Yeah, that's on point. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And in case you're craving more spicy stuff, make sure you check out our michelada video. It's delicious. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!